We're using pallets to create a greenhouse. Miss Chestnut here had her litter, and we didn't film because she had some complications. We think she was spooked when she was giving birth, and because she was spooked, half of her litter was born in just the wire part of the nest box with no nest, and the other half was born right on the edge of the nest instead of actually in the nest. So when we got out here, 3 had already died, and there was 4 left, but they were really cold. So we actually put them in here with Quinn's babies, who are already covered in fur, and they were able to warm them up. But Quinn already has 9 babies of her own, and rabbits usually only have 8 teats. So she's doing an awesome job at holding enough milk for the 9 that she has. So to foster 4 more babies into her nest would have been unfair to her and to her babies. So we took those 4 and put them back in Chestnut's nest. And she did really good the first full day, but by the following evening, the babies were cold and didn't make it. So sadly, we lost her whole litter, and we'll have to try again. But these things happen in homesteading, and they definitely happen with rabbits. Rabbits lose kits very easily, and a lot of litters do lose at least 1 kit. So to see Quinn has all 9 of hers still at 2 weeks is pretty awesome. We are making a new greenhouse. I'm actually sitting inside it right now. We're using pallets and scrap wood to create a 12-foot by 6-foot greenhouse. So me and the girls are out here working, and hopefully we have it done here within the next couple of days.
Oh, oops.
You gotta put pressure on it, kiddo.
Don't press the button until you get it in there. Heck yes. Well, we got our first shelf in, and it was just a big pallet, and we cut a U out of it so that I can walk up and place trays of plants all the way across it. And then we're going to put 2 more shelves down here, and we're not going to put a top shelf across the back so that I have some workspace without hitting my head. but we're going to put 2 shelves there. And then we're going to come to this side and do the same thing. 3 U shelves, top, middle, bottom. And then we're going to have to bring in a roof and a door, and we'll be done. Hey, lady. You haven't been the star for a minute. Did you need to say hey to everybody? Yeah? Say hey, YouTube! Trying to jump up on us. Silly goat, huh? Hey, Sally Mama.
Sally's about to have at least 1 or 2 babies.
I don't know. Sally, I wish you could just talk to me.
Me too.
Because we are like super past your date. We're in April now. You were supposed to have them March, remember? What's going on, lady? Her ligaments are still super soft. But I can feel them. Almost barely. I only feel them right here. Everywhere else is completely gone. One of these days, she will have babies. You got it off for me? All right. These pigs, guys, bear with me while I try to film and climb in here with these little turds. These guys, especially Boris and Eggsy, like to get a little pushy. So I gotta push back sometimes. Oh, come on! Alright, hang on, guys. Look how much they've already done over here. All of this was all green, or most of it. This little square here that they started in wasn't, but all of this up here was green and bushy, and it's all rocky and gray now. Pigs work fast.